With the blessings of God, the most merciful, this is Amir Sultan, QHSE Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following on my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 287. Before I proceed to chapter number 287, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 287 is about environmental pollution. Environmental standard basically comes down to ISO 14001:2015 and other environmental standards wherever these standards are applied and need to be controlled and verified appropriately. For example, a forklifter moving in an organization, in a factory or in a operations need to check that it's not giving smoke which is hazardous to the environment. It doesn't have a high sound to giving issue for the noise, TNTS and NIHS and for the environment pollution, and it should not be having a very high noise of the engine. So sort of things need to be checked. We can take examples of liquid effluent which need to be maintained and which cause the environmental pollution if it is not filtered out and channeled down according to the right requirements. Moreover, generators stack emissions, generator smoke, generator sound, these need to be checked and verified to make the things okay and environment friendly. In the similar way, other vehicles which are giving smoke to the environment need to be checked and verified so that environmental pollution doesn't come down. The environmental pollution doesn't stop over here. It comes down to the furnaces, the chimneys, the dust, the acidic waste, and all the things which can hurt the environment need to be tackled down, need to be checked and verified on regular intervals so that the environmental remains friendly. So for all of these things, for the environmental pollution to make them okay, the organization or any setup of offices and the places need to have one thorough check of all the environmental related parameters from a recognized company at least once a year. In this way, the environmental pollution can be controlled appropriately. If you need more details, if you need analysis, reports, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach me on my another number at +92 314 639 7990, and you can reach me on my 3 emails also at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com. Second email is amirsultanrana digit 1 at gmail.com, and third email is contact@qhsebusinessinternational.com. And even you can reach me on my company website at www.qhsebusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.